Karayachilli Island. Now, this is one of the very important islands found in the regions of Gulf of Mannar in India. Now, this island is at a critical position because it is a case that 70% of the land area of this island is already lost. That is, two-thirds of the land mass of this island is already gone, and that is because of the coastal erosion. Now, one of the major factors that has attributed to it is the bleaching of the coral reefs in this area. So the coral reefs which were surrounding this island group actually acted as a barrier against any kind of erosion. Now what happened over the time is these corals started to bleach. As a result, they are now not able to prevent the erosion of the surface, and as a result the land mass is reducing. So it is on a critical verge. So if we talk about the area in hectares, somewhere in 1969 it was around 20 plus hectares, and as of now under high tide and low tide condition this remains somewhere at around only 3 hectares. So it has been a significant loss of the land in the Karayachilli Island group. Now again, as we have seen the time period, 2025 is where the Action TN Shore project has started. It was already back in 2024 when the land area was less than 6 hectares which was declared, and it is projected by 2036 this island would be completely submerged. Now what is this TN Shore project? Very important for your examination purpose. Now this is the Tamil Nadu Sustainably Harnessing Ocean Resource Project. Now under this project there would be numerous steps which would be adopted. The first would be the coral reefs. Those coral reefs which act as natural sea walls would be protected, and there would be artificial medium through which promotion of the coral structures would be done. Artificial structures would be deployed so that the coral reefs could be well established. The second important is more of seagrass would be planted in this area. Now with the seagrass what happens is the seabed stabilizes, there is better water quality, and it supports the marine life in the nearby areas. And finally the entire marine environment has to become more resilient, and the ecosystem of that region has to be protected. So TN Shore project, a very important project in light of the Karayachilli Island, which has been recently very important, highly in news. So again a very important topic for your case study and answer writing for your mains as well. We will be covering many important topics like these. Thanks for joining.